In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Ahrefs with Claude. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the left and you want to click on Customize, and from here you want to go to Connect Your Apps. Here you want to look for Ahrefs, just like this, and you want to click on this plus button next to it to connect, and then it's going to wait for a few seconds, load up their website where you basically have to sign into your account. So as you can see here, I have one account which I'm signed in with. If you are not signed in, you'll have to sign in at this point, either with your email and password or with Google or any sign-in method you actually used. Then you simply want to click on that on your workspace here, and then you can just click on the allow button and it's going to allow it. It's going to start loading and processing for a few seconds, and then it should take it directly back to Claude like this. And as you can see, I'm now connected. I can go to connectors. Over here, I can now see the tool permissions, I can approve them, etc. And then from here, top right, if I go to view details, in here I can see all the tools I can use. So these basically are all the tools I can interact with inside Claude to basically get data from Ahrefs and kind of use them together. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.